So before we get into the bullet journaling, I'd like to thank and talk about today's sponsor, Endel. Productivity Fairy? Hello? You there? Do you know what time it is? Yes? And yet you still expect me to do a sponsorship segment at this hour. I may not take any days off, but I do need my beauty sleep, you know. Do this one yourself. I'm going back to sleep now. Goodbye. Okay. So Endel is an app that uses cutting-edge technology to create science-based, personalized soundscapes. Their soundscapes can help you relax, focus, sleep, and even study, and they use patented AI technology to adapt the soundscapes to the time of day and your natural circadian rhythm to improve how you feel. They have numerous soundscapes and collaborations to choose from, and they also have timers and the ability to customize the soundscape based on the activity you're doing, such as chores, studying, etc. They also have an alarm clock that will help you fall asleep and wake up, so if you're having a hard time focusing on your daily tasks, struggling with stress, or having trouble sleeping, be sure to check out Endel and see if their soundscapes will help. Click the link in my description box to try it out for free for 7 days. Alright, so now on to the bullet journaling. Sorry. Wait, where's Hobby Lobby? Oh, wow.
Estella.
Yes.
Look, I'm Wendy. Estella,
Yes.
it doesn't film it.
You want me to film it again?
Quick, Estella, film it.
Okay.
Look, Estella. I want to take a look. Ooh.
She's doing a photo shoot. You were meant to be a star.
Estella, look.
What?
Look, Estella, they're pinchies.
Oh, they're pinchies? Okay, I will save you. There she goes. Is she eating?
Yes. You can start squish.
What?
Squishy.
Are you squishy?
More squish.
Yeah.
My head is very hot.
Your head is hot? Well, let me try mine. My head is hot too. Okay.
My goodness.
You guys are so cute. Eye of rabbit, harpstring hum, turn this water into rum. I don't think it worked. You're going to banish me? Banish me where? Who's going to live in your castle? getting soaked.
I don't have a towel for you.
We don't have towels. Having fun? Well, at least he's having fun.
All right.
Oh no! It does.
I love this little river.
Look, mommy, look.
Yes.
I was good.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
That's
There he comes. You're crazy. Careful, careful, careful.
Yes, please.
You want to?
Happy birthday to you. Дай мне телефон свой, я тебе.
Professor McGonagall, can I go home now? It's been a week. Hello? What do you mean they're beautiful?
Понимаешь, каждый божий день. Они у тебя тут же облаков должно быть же как будто.
The clouds are beautiful. Don't insult them.
Wait, so you want me to film her again? Yes, the funny face.
Oh, there it is. He's falling asleep.
Yes. Yes, Estella. And listen.
Why do you like it so much?
And then Estella.
Yes.
And then tomorrow you will do your study to success video.
Tomorrow? That fast? I don't think I can edit that quickly.
Not fast.
Wow, so you're going to be my manager? You're telling me how quickly I have to make videos now?
Yes, I want to watch it of yours.
Okay. I'll work hard. I'll work hard and make videos more quickly, okay?
Stuck in my head. You just have to be very patient and calm. Just go one.